commercial. Yes, please. Double click and slide so it doesn't. Good idea. All right. Checklist, please. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I never put those in. I think they're in my flight bag, but they're not in the. Okay. What'd you say? Sump in gallons. Yep.
Tires all around.
They are.
Stall warning.
Not tested.
Flaps.
I'll check those. Okay. Lights are good. Oil's 5.5 quarts. Yep. Yep. Okay. Yep. And we're locked. No, nothing on the tail.
Arrow is verified and cargo door is secure.
Yep.
Flight controls are freaking correct.
They are.
Fire extinguisher.
Nice shout over your ear. Okay, fire extinguisher good.
Tack and hob separated.
Got it. Yep.
Engine start. Ignition off. Avionics master off.
Yep.
Heartbeat off.
Yep.
Circuit breakers in.
Yep.
Master switch on.
Okay.
Fuel gauge check.
They were good.
Mixture rich.
Yep.
Throttle ready.
Okay.
Timer 36.
Anything locked? Okay.
Ignition both clear. Prop started.
Clear prop.
Test 1, 2.
Test.
I hear ya.
Check less than 1,000.
Okay.
Oil pressure.
And oil pressure's good.
Lean to 1 inch.
I did.
Avionics on. ATIS acquire.
Okay.
Or I guess AWAS.
Nice cool breeze.
30.
Alright, can I close this?
Yes, please.
Temperature 20, dew point 13, altimeter 3033. Expect visual approach, runway 14 in use. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Quebec. Ithaca Airport, information, Quebec. Time 1556 Zulu, wind 150 at 8, visibility 10. Sky conditions scattered at 3,000. Temperature 20, dew point 13, altimeter 3033. Expect visual approach, runway 14 in use. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Quebec.
Quebec. Altimeter, you set.
Did that?
Heading.
Looks good.
Stratus is on and charging.
It is.
ES route is acquiring.
Test. There it goes.
The Homestar Runner, or Strong Bad email version.
Yeah, I guess so.
That's an O, not a Q.
Q, PQ. It wouldn't have come up with the M, and that's just ready to go in case we need it.
Alright.
And I'm going to try and not call them Manassas
Yeah.
ground and tower.
Ithaca.
We're in Ithaca? How'd we get there?
Passenger briefing. You better brief me.
We're in Ithaca, apparently.
Taxi clearance
We're
obtained.
about to go up. Ithaca ground, good afternoon. This is Grumman Tiger 1532 Romeo with Quebec in front of the FBO. We have
Tiger Grumman 1532 Romeo, roger, runway 14, taxi via Delta Alpha.
Delta Alpha to 141532 Romeo. Okay, all set?
All set.
I'm going to test the brakes by turning around. I am not to go. That's it, Echo.
Yeah, Delta.
Tiger 32 Romeo for now, squawk 0217, and then you can expect your clear. Yes, sir, and what's going to be your direction of departure for now?
Yeah, we'll be VFR to the north. I'm going to go over the gorge and circle around there a little bit over Trumansburg, and then go from there.
Roger. Hawker 750, Victor Mike, get the guitar report turning final, runway 14.
Over to tower, listen to them. Wind was 150. I don't want to hear about breathing. I just want you to show me what time it is. Thank you. Into wind, wheels forward.
I think we should reorganize this a little.
Okay.
Never ever do these in the right order.
Alright.
Departure frequency. Load them.
Okay, so we're over on tower. I'm going to load up 124.3, Elmira. Okay, that's good.
Transponder, you set?
Yep.
Fuel selector, change tank.
I'm going to leave it there for now. I'll change over in airport in case something goes bad.
Trim, set for takeoff.
Okay.
Flaps are up.
Yep.
Lights set.
Are good.
Seat belts lock. Brake
Yep.
test on taxi.
Okay.
Nose wheel straight. Throttle to 1600.
Let me clean it out a little here. Okay.
Magnetos check right and left.
1
Max 75.
and 2. Okay.
Max difference 50.
Yeah.
Vacuum gauge.
Good.
Ammeter.
Charging.
Oil pressure.
Oil pressure. Yep.
Fuel pressure. Carb heat.
Yep. Yep. And yep.
Throttle 800. Chain clearance.
There's some guy.
Some guy.
Tower 32 Romeo, ready 14, no delay unless you want to hold me for this landing traffic.
Hawker 0 Victor Mike, say distance from the airport.
6 miles. Oh yeah.
Tiger 32 Romeo, runway 14, clear for takeoff, turn right on course.
Clear for takeoff 14 and right turn on course 1532 Romeo.
Lights, camera, action.
Lights, camera, action.
Hawker 0 Victor Mike, runway 14, clear to land.
Clear to land on 14, San Francisco Victor Mike.
Airspeed live.
Airspeed's alive. Looks good.
Goodbye, Ithaca.
And it's a right turn on course.
Right turn on course.
Engine
direction looks.
Tiger 32 Romeo, if you like, you can have a left turn if you like.
Yeah, we were going to do a right turn over the university there if it doesn't make any difference to you.
Oh yeah, you can just stay in the right turn report, leaving the class Delta. I'll switch you over to Elmira for your...
Where's the tower? There, I think that's the old church. You remember walking in there?
Yeah. Yeah, that was, yeah, I see it. Cool. Yeah, and all those buildings had the red roof. And
Yeah. My client. Hi, Anna.
who's there?
Ann and Mitch, you remember them?
Yeah.
Mitch was the guy that you went to the shows, who gave us a ride. The IT guy, our web guy.
Yeah. Let's see how good we are at finding solar panels and a blue and yellow tent. Look how long that lake is. So we were down there, the park underneath us, looking out here, and it curves and goes all the way up there.
Yeah.
Pretty wild. There's that traffic before you turn right and go over the bridge.
Tucker 0 Victor Romeo, turn right at Golf. Taxi the ramp via Golf Alpha Echo, this frequency.
Right turn Golf, Golf Alpha Echo, this frequency, San Francisco, Victor Mike, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Tiger 32 Romeo, affirmative. When you're ready, you can contact Elmira Departure on 124.3.
Very good. Thanks for the help today. You have a good one.
You too. TBM 316 Alpha Hotel, it's good ground. You're cleared to Papa Whiskey Mike. As filed, maintain 5,000. Expect flight level 190, 10 minutes after departure.
I think I found it.
Frequency on 124.3, squawk 2235.
Good position here. The tent.
Oh yeah, the one with the
And then
giant tent.
Yeah.
I remember we flew over it before, and it was pretty easy to find.
Yeah. And then we can try and guess where the water is, where you just keep walking back through the woods.
TBM 6 Alpha Hotel, read that correct.
Probably that tree line there.
Number
runs into the gorge.
1532 Romeo Mile approach, you on?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. We're currently VFR, and we're doing some sightseeing up here over the lake. So if you don't mind, I'll call you in a couple of minutes when we're ready.
32 Romeo, no problem at all. Just ident, say again your altitude.
All right, very good. Here's the flash, and currently indicating 2,100 for 1532 Romeo.
Number 32 Romeo, your radar contact 7 miles northwest of SK Airport. SK altimeter is 3030.
3030, and looks good to me. Thank you. We'll call you soon. 32 Romeo.
Roger. Travel there, 9 Delta Juliet, your radar
You think
contact
it's that
33
lake?
miles west of Elmira Airport. Elmira altimeter 3029.
Okay.
3029 for Delta 5 Delta.
See the water that runs behind
Yeah.
the tree line? The camp. He said go through the trees where you camp.
Yeah. So what do people do? They just go to that water?
3339 Whiskey, Elmira
Yeah, there's
approach,
a creek
Elmira
back
altimeter
there.
3029.
And he's like,
Oh.
you can follow it all the way to the gorge.
So then, yeah, that's the
there's
gorge
probably
right
a
there.
trail or something.
Cool.
I've got through this going to descend to 3,500 VFR.
Could you get a cell phone picture or two of the gorge and the campsite?
Sure.
I'll keep the turn shallow.
You when to descend?
Traveler 5 Delta Juliet, we're going to send to 3,500 VFR.
Traveler 5 Delta Juliet, altitude your discretion.
Might be able to get a shot once we cross over the gorge.
Yeah.
Looking right up its mouth.
Yeah, I can get a pretty good, like, 45-degree angle toward the tail.
Oh yeah, cool.
Like anything you put there, I can
All right.
make a solid shot of.
So I will keep this angle.
Or I can do 45 toward the front.
Right. Or if I'm in a turn, you can get over the wing. Or do you prefer not to do that?
I can, but it has to be a pretty steep turn because
Yeah.
the wing takes up a lot of the space.
I gotcha.
There's the park that we almost parked at yesterday.
Yeah. somewhat of a steep turn. I'm having trouble trying to get the, I know what you're talking about. That's,
right now the gorge is under the wing.
no, it's not. It's up there.
Yeah, okay.
It's over the wing. Oh, here you go. You can get a front 45 then.
Yeah.
Cessna 98747 on my approach. Radar contact.
It's hard because the sun's not lighting it up.
Yeah, it's a giant shadow.
Yeah.
You can see the overlook parking there, or the visitor center.
Cessna 747, I'm showing you want to do some practice approaches. Say approach request, how will it terminate? Cessna 747, roger, maintain VFR, maintain 3,500, turn west, heading 330, back to 2 final approach course.
And then maybe one of the campground here coming up on the right.
Most everybody's gone.
Yeah, most everybody. Hopefully it's just volunteers left. Pretty neat.
Cool.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Enter GPS mode. And engage. Full rich. I'm going to get established on course here.
That giant igloo in the corner is still there.
Oh, yeah, you can probably see that pretty easily.
Yeah.
November 39 Whiskey, roger. November 32 Romeo, radar contact lost.
Thanks, sir. Yeah, we went down about 1,000 feet over the ground. We're climbing now through 2,200.
Roger.
An approach for 1532 Romeo. If it's okay with you, we might try and level off VFR 3,500 to look over the nice landscape here.
November 32 Romeo, not a problem at all. Ident, and say again altitude.
Here's the ident, and it's about 3.2 and a half. Slow climb up to 3.5.
November 32 Romeo, radar contact 7 miles west of KITH Airport.
Thank you, sir.
Our Traveler 5 Delta Juliet, I'd like to go off frequency, get the ATIS, please.
November 5 Delta Juliet, turn 10 degrees left, vector for traffic, and then if you could change your preview eyes back on.
10 left for 5 Delta Juliet. Welcome.
So depending on things, we should get home around 3:15 or so.
Cool. How's the wind?
Cessna 747,
Not much.
turn left heading 150.
Last I checked, it was like a 2-knot tailwind, which I guess is better than a 2-knot headwind, but
Not really a factor.
yeah, no factor. I think it might have been the first time we flew down to Florida. We had like a 20-knot tailwind in each direction.
Yeah.
Blessing.
At 107 Heavy, roger. Expect runway 1 right. You can descend via the hyper.
Approach 1532 Romeo, starting descent down to 2,500 east side Bravo transition. Make sure she sees me.
On 11 Alpha Tango, I do have traffic just below you, altitude indicates 2,200, and type is unknown, appears to be maneuvering there. Maintain at 3,000.
Maintain 3,000, looking for the traffic on Alpha Tango.
And Potomac departure, Cessna 653, 200 is off the mess for the VOR 9 Hagerstown.
65329 IDIP.
Okay.
Caution 65329, your radar contact over the Hagerstown Airport 1700 and how approach terminate.
We'd like to shoot the ILS runway 9 approach, missed approach from there, followed by the RNAV 5 into Frederick, full stop.
Roger.
Also for 65329, I'd like to request vectors for the ILS 9 as well, if able.
65329, roger. Climb maintain VFR 3600 and fly heading. Let's make it let's make it 300.
300 up to 3,600, 329.
30300. Contact Project Tower 132.4. 46642. Are you direct Frederick at this time? 46642, roger. I fly present heading vectors. I'm going to take you down the west side of Dulles for Orange. Fly present heading. I'm going to have to vect you on the west side of Dulles for Orange Airport. Six 5329, turn 15 degrees to the right. I'm going to bend you out just a little bit.
15 right, 329.
Scandinavian 925 Heavy Potomac approach. Roger, stand by for a runway. And Scandinavian 925 Heavy, stuck one right. And 1532 Romeo, it's not going to be a factor, but you are going to have traffic there. Is that your 6 o'clock and 3 miles southbound? It's going to be a heavy Airbus there. It'll be 11 off of 4,000 here in just a moment, overflying on the downwind.
Sounds good. We'll look for him to fly overhead. It's 32 Romeo.
911 Alpha Tango, you are 1 mile from Martinsburg, cross Martinsburg 3000, clear the VOR into Martinsburg.
Descending quickly, coming fast. 2,000 feet above right now. Let's see. Yeah, this might be a big boy. Did she say Airbus heavy?
Yeah.
Cool. I want to see.
Know if he's directly overhead.
He's still somehow catching up to us. 3 miles closing fast.
Okay, 925 Heavy, let's amend that. Just maintain 9,000 for me.
I'll tell you when he's showing overhead.
But he's not to our right or to our left?
No, he's right behind us, and he's going to pass a little bit to the right, right over top of us.
46642, I must have been out just a little bit. Turn the 15 degrees to the right for me.
You big?
He's big. He didn't look big in my camera, but he looks big in the air. I don't know which is the best.
There he is. Oh, cool.
Back Potomac approach, altimeter 3019er. Alpha Tango, I'm sorry. I just want to verify you do have the weather there at Martinsburg, and you said this is going to be, you're going to be doing a full stop there, or are you going to come back around for another one?
Oh, big airplane.
We're going to go and do the missed approach and do the ILS.
Let's race.
Yeah.
Let's 26 at Martinsburg.
That's correct, ILS 26 at Martinsburg.
John could tell us exactly what model of plane that is.
911 Alpha Tango, completion of this
but
approach.
What model?
Proceed direct to the Martinsburg VOR, climb maintain 4,000, return
280, 380, I don't know what any of that means.
We'll return to Martinsburg VOR 4,000, return to your frequency 911 Tango.
Can I put this over here?
Yeah.
Jet 742, approach you up.
Already the Potomac.
Is that Jet 742, roger, it's going to maintain at 9,000, expect 1 right, verify you have kilo.
He won the race.
Network 119 Heavy, approach 1258. 532 Romeo, that heavy traffic is just ahead of you now at 4,000, contact approach 1258.
25-8, traffic in sight. Have a good day.
Roger.
Heavy, thanks, 1 center.
1 center, roger.
United 712, turn left heading 040, clear visual approach, runway 1 center.
040, cleared for the visual approach, 1 center, United 712.
This guy won't be busy at all. It's really nice of him to clear us on a Sunday afternoon.
5 DME and contact Dulles Tower, 134.42.
170 or greater to 5 DMA going to tower, United 712.
Approach 1532 Romeo, level 2,500 feet VFR.
4532 Romeo, Potomac, Delta altimeter 3019er.
3019, 1532 Romeo.
Yeah, 1567, maintain 210 knots or greater, or correction, just maintain 210 knots now.
210, United 1567.
For 1532 Romeo, Causeway, clear most of the heavy Airbus 330s, a lot faster than you, and he's going to be descending to your alpha.
All right, sounds good. 32 Romeo.
32 Romeo is about 6 miles ahead now. It'll be more as he gets farther down.
I gotcha. All right, yeah, that checks out. Thank you. 32 Romeo.
Mark 119 Heavy, descend and maintain 2,500.
Descend and maintain 2,500, Shamrock 119 Heavy.
Busy Dulles.
Confirmation November 1845 Zulu. Wind 080 at 9er, gust 15, visibility 10. Ceiling 7,000 overcast, temperature 26, dew point 13, altimeter 3018, visual approach in use, landing at departing runway 34 left, 34 right. Notice airmen use caution for multiple trains in the vicinity of the airport. Main apron between taxiway Foxtrot and 100 feet south of Foxtrot, close to helicopter. Use caution for
119 Heavy at 2,500 is reduced speed to 190.
2,500, 119 on Shamrock 119 Heavy.
Kind of sounded like you said Lima.
Hello, Potomac, Erie Shore 80, route 7 for 6.
Erie Shore 80, Potomac, Delta altimeter 3019er. There's traffic 12 o'clock and 7 miles westbound, climbing out of 2,500 for 5,000, and that is a Boeing 737.
All right, we'll keep an eye out. We're kind of in and out right now.
Yeah, 1567, maintain 180 knots, 5 DME, contact Dulles Tower, 134.42.
180 5 DME, 3442.
So that heavy...
He's right there,
Mark 119 Heavy, turn right heading 280.
I think he's right there, I see him.
He's still in front of us going the same direction as us. There's another one landing. Anyways, he just crossed our altitude 10 miles ahead of us, so that's plenty of time for any turbulence, wake turbulence. Reston Town Center, I think, just in front of the right wing.
Traffic in sight for Erie Shore 80.
Erie Shore 80, thank you, and stand by for alert. Erie Shore 80, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, Erie Shore 80.
That is Lake Ann.
4 Delta Sierra, change your runway, expect runway 1 right, fly heading 160, descend and maintain
Lakeside
5,000.
there.
1 right, heading 160, descend
South Lakes High
5,000,
School.
1 Delta Sierra.
1567, contact tower 134.42.
In Reston, not Lake Anna, but Lake Ann. We went to a farmer's market there once.
Rating 350, intercept 1 center localizer, report the field at 2 o'clock and 10 miles.
Right at 350, intercept localizer 1 center, we call you visual Shamrock
To the Washington Monument.
Shamrock 119 Heavy, thanks, clear visual approach 1 center, maintain 170 knots, 5 DME.
Cleared visual approach 1 center and 170 knots, Shamrock 119.
1532 Romeo, descend and maintain 2,000.
Down to 2, 1532 Romeo.
Erie Shore 80, descend and maintain 3,000, then reduce speed to 210.
3,000,
Lake
then
Ann
slow to
back
210
there.
for Erie Shore 80.
Look at all the planes go.
Shamrock 119 Heavy, contact
Could you aim it out the window?
134.42.
And camera.
3442, Shamrock 119.
Peter 4889, descend and maintain 3,000, then reduce speed to 210. Speeder 4889, descend and maintain 3000, then reduce speed to 210.
Foxtrot on 1,200 feet south, Foxtrot towards the helicopters. Use caution for birds and wildlife in the vicinity of the airport. Read back, hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact you have November.
Okay, close.
Here, you shore 80, turn left heading 100.
Left turn 100, here is shore 80.
Before Del Sierra, descend and maintain 4,000.
That guy had to slow down because he's behind this guy.
About 4 miles turning east out at 3,000. They'll be landing in the center, you'll be overflying.
Descend 4,000, looking for traffic for Del Sierra.
Yeah, it looks like they're both going for 1 center.
He leveled out now, but he was like flaring a bit.
Here's good old Route 66. I believe. I don't know what crossroad that is. Maybe Fairfax County Parkway.
Here, shore 80, descend and maintain 2,000, then reduce speed to 170.
Yeah.
2,000, then slow to 170 for Erie Shore 80.
Before Delta Sierra, turn left heading of 120 and descend and maintain 3,000.
Heading 120, 3,000 for Del Sierra.
Holy crap.
Afternoon, United 107 Heavy with 4,000.
And United 107 Heavy Potomac, 1 right.
1 right will work, thank you.
We're going to get
4889, reduce speed to
someone
190.
overhead.
190 to speak up to 4889.
Like the same
4889, there's traffic 12 o'clock in a mile, same direction from Grumman 2000.
All this, or them first.
No, he's talking to the other plane that's going to overfly us.
020, intercept 1 center, localizer.
020 to intercept 1 center long for Erie Shore 80.
Erie Shore 80 in the turn, there's traffic at 9 o'clock in 3 miles. They'll be overflying at 3,000 feet of Global Express.
Alright, we're looking Erie Shore 80.
Before Delta Sierra, reduce your speed to 170, the Hawker's 12 o'clock in 2 miles, turning northbound, 2,200 for 2,000.
So to 170, we got the Hawker on site for Del Sierra.
Thank you, Erie Shore 80, the airport, 12
Slow
o'clock.
down real fast.
Yeah, we got it in sight.
Erie Shore 80, clear visual approach, runway 1 center, maintain 170 knots, 5 DME.
Clear for the visual 1 center and 170 till 5 DME, Erie Shore 80.
See, like right over us?
Yeah.
Yep.
Erie Shore 80, contact Dulles Tower on 134.42.
3442, Erie Shore 80, thanks.
And report Delta Sierra, the field's at 9 o'clock at 10 miles.
Inside for Del Sierra.
Report Delta Sierra, turn left heading 040, maintain visual separation with the Hawker, you're clear for approach 1 right.
040, visual separation with the Hawker and cleared for 1 right for Del Sierra.
Clear 4889, turn right heading 280.
Slow down a little bit, get the engine cooled off.
287 4889.
Okay, 107 heavy, reduce speed to 190, then descend to maintain 3,000.
Slow to 190, then down to 3, United 107, thank you.
Before Delta Sierra, contact Dulles Tower. Actually, maintain 170 knots to 5 DME, contact Dulles Tower on 120.1.
170 to 5 DME and say again the frequency.
And Fort Delta Sierra, 120.1.
20.1, thanks.
Approach 1532 Romeo crossing Steo. Do you want me to turn inbound to Manassas?
32 Romeo heading 190.
190, 32 Romeo.
And Commander 4889, turn right heading 350, intercept the 1 right localizer, set and maintain 2,000.
2000 heading 350, intersect Commander 4989.
And November 1532 Romeo, you can turn right heading 230.
Right to 230, 1532 Romeo.
Before Delta Sierra Tower 120.1.
And we got weather.
Gator 107 heavy, this traffic 12 o'clock and 2 miles southbound to Grumman at 1,800.
Searching for the Grumman, got him, he's over the water, United 107.
Gator 4889, reduce your speed to 160, the field's 12 o'clock at 10 miles.
160 on the speed, and we have the fuel on site for the 4889.
Gator 4889,
I'm making the news with all these big jets.
160 knots, 5 DME.
160 until 5 DME, and we're clear for 1 right, Commander 4889.
Gator 107 heavy, turn right heading 280.
280, United 107, look good.
Approach Wisconsin 3054 is at 6,000.
That's 3854, thank you. 1 center.
1 center, we have Lima now.
So that's 1108 Potomac.
6,000 on 1108.
That's 1108, reduce speed to 210, then descend to maintain 4,000.
Well, 210, 4,000 on left straight.
1532 Romeo, you're clear to descend, actually you're below the 4 of the Bravo. You can maintain the VFR on the code, contact the tower 133.1, your discretion.
VFR on the code and over to tower 1532 Romeo. Thank you guys very much for working with me today.
For United 107 Heavy.
Sunday afternoon.
Number 65 Echo, proceed to a midfield left downwind for 934 left for traffic.
Good, slow down.
Midfield left downwind, 65 Echo.
November 7 Charlie Tango, continue on the left base runway 34 right.
34 right for 7 Charlie Tango.
November 1 Pop Alpha, number 2 behind Cessna on left base at the final. S-turns are approved, runway 34 left, clear to land.
Okay, we have the traffic on base and clear to land 34 left, Skyline 1 Pop Alpha.
Manassas Tower 1532 Romeo is about 5 miles to the east with November VFR east ramp parking.
November 1532 Romeo Manassas Tower, enter a right base, runway 34 right, runway 34 right, clear to land.
Right base for 34 right, cleared to land 34 right, 1532 Romeo.
106010, gust 15.
Yeah, I got a nice crosswind. The wind has been annoying today, has it not?
Yeah. Thought it was the mountains that we were...
Yeah, it's everywhere. We got older.
November 1 Pop Alpha, S-turns are approved for spacing.
1 Pop Alpha, roger.
Lights, mixtures good, fullest tank, trim flaps. Passengers buckled. She is a good passenger.
Charlie Tango, we'll pick up our speed.
Thank you.
She doesn't like to hit her head on the ceiling.
Yep.
Skyline 1 Pop Alpha, could we land on 34 right?
Nope, I'm in here.
November 1 Pop Alpha, change to runway 34 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 34 right, Skyline 1 Pop Alpha.
November 32 Romeo, be number 2 behind Cessna, 1 mile final, runway, correction, short final, runway 34 right, clear to land, number 2.
Number 2 cleared to land 34 right, 1532 Romeo.
Okay. Oh, there it is.
65 Echo is turning a left downwind at midfield for 34 right.
Roger, 65 Echo.
Alright, is he on the ground?
No. But close.
Okie dokie. I got him.
November 6 Charlie Hotel, turn left
Yeah,
Alpha
right.
2,
Just square it off.
contact ground point
6 Charlie Hotel, left at Alpha 2, ground point 8.
November 7 Charlie Tango, continue to join a 4 mile final for runway 34 right, you'll be number 4.
Say again, for 7
Number
Charlie Tango, you want me to make a right turn?
November 7 Charlie Tango, enter a 4 mile final for runway 34 right.
Okay, we are turning right now to intercept the 4 mile final for 34 right.
November 1 Pop Alpha, cross runway 34 left at Kilo, on the other side, contact ground point 8.
Cleared across 34 left at Kilo and ground on the other side, Skyline 1 Pop Alpha.
November 65 Echo, number 2 behind Grumman Tiger, 1 mile final, runway 34 right, clear to land.
65 Echo, number 2 behind the Tiger, clear to land, 34 right.
Back on, center line.
Simon 7 Charlie Tango, you can see them bound. You'll be number 3 behind Cessna, downwind of base, runway 34 right, clear to land.
7 Charlie Tango's left base for 34 right, looking for the traffic.
1040 at 7, gust 15.
Thank you. I believe you. Coming in hot. Lady.
Nice.
Wanted to set her down.
Yeah.
November 32 Romeo, turn right, Bravo 2, contact ground point 8.
Bravo 2 and over to ground 32 Romeo. Thanks. checking my rudder. Ground, good afternoon, Grumman Tiger 1532 Romeo. Bravo 2 short of Bravo, going to the east ramp.
Grumman 1532 Romeo, Manassas ground, taxi to east ramp via Bravo.
Via Bravo to the east ramp, 1532 Romeo. Have a good day. Clear right.
Clear right.
Flaps. The landing time 3:02.
3:02. What time do we take off?
Took off just before 1, but did a about a 10-minute tour of the Tacanic Gorge. Back and all. What do we do? Tack and Hobbs. 50-90. 53, that's perfect. 2.1 on the tack. Don't break it.
No. It's like, is someone landing right behind us?
Jet smells good.
Say so.
I do. Where do you? Oh, Skycatcher had work done. Sweet. Could you tack and Hobbs me?